What's going on, everybody? They call me Pinky. You know, Pinky. Am I allowed to say that? Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, you're wondering why they want to call me a teddy bear. Well, one of our presidents went hunting one day for one of us. And they tied his ass to a tree. What in the sport is that? At least give us a chance to run. I think it's a bunch of bullshit. But anyway, he did not have the heart to shoot my great grandpappy. So, we're sitting here just having a good time, and I'm here, man, and I ain't nobody walking all over me rug. So, how's everybody doing out there? Facebook doing you good or doing you bad? So, when anybody asks you why teddy bears are called teddy bears, tell them after President Teddy Roosevelt. Okay? So, what? Huh? Oh, the guy holding the camera and wringing my neck says that if you need a TV fix, just call 355-5264. Tinkers. So we can fix your TV. Whatever's wrong with it, we can fix it. Or my name ain't Pinky and we got.com. So come on. 355-5264. It's a bear of a deal. It's real cheap. So give him a try. Did it do good? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so everybody. You ain't nothing but a bear. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I still on? I'm sorry. Okay, bye.